So here is my website. Check this out. Good morning, everyone. So today's video is a quick one, but I wanted to share some great and exciting news, things that have happened, things that I've been working on in the background. And so in today's video, two things I want to talk about. The first thing I want to talk about is kind of a follow-up to my last video, which was essentially about not being distracted. And I want to give you an actual thing that has happened, so when your emotions aren't in charge of what's happening, because again, like I spoke in the last video, we're all emotionally charged human beings, but there's got to be a time where you can kind of step back and realize what's really happening. So for instance, everyone's all upset about Tesla and about Elon Musk, but if you actually can step back from your emotional surges and the urges that you have, you can actually see what's happening. So unless you haven't really been watching the stock for Tesla at all, you can see that it's been falling. Now, everyone's all excited. Tim Waltz was really excited about the stock falling. It made him really happy. And what happened next? The stock went up. So if you're not emotionally charged, emotionally invested in that sort of thing, what you actually could have had was the Tesla stock on sale. And that's a very simple thing to miss out on, especially when the media is throwing this narrative that Elon Musk is evil. And whatever your leanings are, that's not what I'm talking about. I don't even care what you think about Elon Musk or Tesla. And to realize that Tesla, as far as the car company is concerned, Elon only, I guess, owns 15% of it because he has given it off to other people. But if you weren't so emotionally charged, you would have had a chance to pick up that stock on sale. Now, the other thing too is the markets have been coming down, and they are down. So people aren't really, if you're so emotionally invested, like I said in the other video, this time in like a year, you would have missed out on the greatest sale of funds and of stocks. So start thinking long picture instead of being emotionally invested. The other thing is, I have recently created a website. Well, not me personally, obviously. I don't think it's something I would want to even attempt, but this website was created by a friend of mine. He's the one that was editing my videos. He's taken some time away from that, so that's why this video is edited in the way that it is. And I'm looking forward to the future of everything else that's happening with Tommensense Financial, but now there's an actual website. So I want to show you that website. So here is my website. Check this out. Can't believe it's actually here. This is pretty cool to see. I'm just so excited that it's actually up. Yeah, man, I'm kind of speechless. But yeah, there's a way to reach me here. You guys can reach out. So again, I only have my license in Alberta for now, but those are the people all around Alberta I can help, all those clients. There they are. So again, here we go, guys. Tommensense is up and running. I want to thank everyone for liking, for subscribing, and thank you very much. And I will see you in the next video. Tommensense, because common sense isn't so common.